The doorbell chimed at 2:13 a.m., echoing through the silent house. Half asleep, I peered through the peephole. No one. But the bell kept ringing, each time more urgent, more insistent. I unplugged it, but the chimes continued, now from inside the hallway. Shadows flickered under every door. My breath fogged in the sudden chill as unseen footsteps creaked across the floorboards. I tried to leave, but the front door wouldn't budge. Then from behind me, a chorus of whispers. "Thank you for inviting us in." The chimes stopped. The visitors never left.